Greetings. The use of pictures in MS Word, PowerPoint, or Excel makes them more engaging and easier to understand. The formatting like sizing, cropping, enhancement, and effects are applied that suit our needs better. It's possible to undo applied formatting while the document is open. However, if the document was closed, you cannot simply reverse the formatting. To reset or clear formatting from a picture, select it. The Picture Format tab will appear on the ribbon. Go to Adjust Group. Expand Reset Picture drop-down. Reset either picture formatting or its formatting and size.